More breaking news coming in, and the Supreme Court has issued notices to makers of web series Mirzapur and Amazon Prime Video on a petition by a Mirzapur resident against the OTT series. The plea seeks regulation of content on OTT platforms. This is the latest that we're getting with regard to some of these web series which have in fact led to controversy. This one is a petition which has been filed in the Supreme Court, in the top court, against web series Mirzapur, and the plea is also against Amazon Prime Video officials. This is a petition by a Mirzapur resident who has in fact expressed objections to the OTT series, and the plea also seeks regulation of content on OTT platforms. Joined by my colleague Meenakshi on this. Meenakshi, so we see this as another aspect of the controversy related to several web series which has in fact emerged or resurfaced rather of late. In this case, it's a petition filed by a resident of Mirzapur against this particular web series, but also again this question coming up of seeking regulation of content on OTT platforms.
Well, that's right, Tanima. Today, as a matter of fact, when the matter came up for hearing, the petition lawyer went on to state as to how this particular case might have become infructuous. But despite that, the CJI-led bench has admitted this PIL for a hearing. It has gone ahead and issued notices to the makers of Mirzapur and also Amazon Prime Video on this petition by a Mirzapur resident. This petition is going ahead and seeking regulation of content of films and other such creative art form on OTT platforms. So it is going to be interesting going forward, because in the past we have seen the Supreme Court intervene and grant relief to artists against whom cases have been slapped, directors and actors, and it has interpreted the artistic freedom of creation a certain way. How does that not apply in this case will be the big question of law eventually we'll be tracking, Pranima.
Right. Meenakshi, thank you so much for joining us with that breaking update.